Alright, so I got my lights set up on my desk. I got a push button here, you can turn it off. And really what I did is it's got red stuff you pull off, it's got sticky stuff. And I just ran it up underneath, and there's bars that go across, and you can see it hanging down right there. But I got it all taped up all the way over here. And then this slacked like cord and stuff right here, I put painter's tape in just to hold that in place. I gotta push that one up. But I bought a 3 foot long extension USB to USB cord so that I have more length I could use, because I wanted to run the lights starting back here all the way across, and you couldn't do that with the length of the cord that they give you. So it's pretty dope. I mean, it bounces the music and everything, so it's pretty cool. Came with the desk, got it on Wayfair, so pretty cool.